Today a quick and easy recipe. Linguine with fried zucchini. The ingredients for 2 people are as follows. 400 grams of linguine, 1 to 2 courgettes, extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano o Grana Padano, salt, pepper and chilli. Slice the zucchini after removing the ends. Fry them in a pan with boiling olive oil, add salt and pepper. Cook the linguine in plenty of boiling salted water, drain and season with a couple of tablespoons of the oil used for frying, sprinkle with grated cheese and add the fried zucchini and a pinch of chili if you have it. Bon appetit! In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you.
If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.